your right to say this is not good for my body, this is good for my body.
In continuation of advocacy to sensitize rural women and youths on the right information about sexual reproductive health, Inclusive Voice for Women and Youth Initiative visited Orozo community, one of the suburbs in Abuja, Nigeria's capital city. Executive Director, Inclusive Voice for Women and Youth Initiative, Ogenejen Akpeva, while educating the women and youth on reproductive health, stressed the benefits of family planning.
For you to have that determination and the ability to say, yes, I want this amount of children I desire. I'm not just having this amount of children, I want a time space.
Due to the economic situation of Nigeria and for the emotional health of women, it is very necessary for them to have that time frame, for them to fully dedicate and really support the children.
Other team members of the initiative advise members of the community to imbibe what they have learned about sexual reproductive health.
A lot of people are giving birth without spacing it, and also giving birth quite a number of children, even the number they don't want and they cannot train. So we are here to sensitize them to give spacing.
Family planning helps them, spacing helps them. You know, as a woman, when you start giving birth without space, you start looking like an old woman. So you need to space your children so that you look good. You still look good for your husband.
You know the situation of the country, how tedious and hard it is. So people really need to give space in childbearing so that they will be able to take care of children. We're talking about education, feeding.
Some members of the community express gratitude for the knowledge as they are now more aware of their sexual reproductive rights.
So for the family planning issue, we have heard so many things about it, how it is very good for women to do because of the time that we are in this time that we are in now. So many things that are happening. So it is very good. It is very good for us to do the family planning.
I want to appreciate them because it is not everybody that can go out and be doing things like this. They came to our environment, they came to the grassroots to let us know that we can still live the life that we're supposed to live.
The condition of our countries now, when you see these are things we need in our community so that it will be able to help the families. With this kind of initiative, I also want them to, I pray that may God give them more strength so that they can expose this kind of programs to other communities too, so that our nation become a better place to live.
The members of the community were also enlightened and empowered on small-scale business.
This is empty pot, as I said, dried, no water. So now this is my groundnut oil. You can decide to use butter. You can decide to use butter, but I prefer using groundnut oil. So I'm going to put my groundnut oil to this pot. So the quantity that will cover the corn that I'm going to put inside the pot. Just spread your corn inside. I told you the quantity of the groundnut oil is the quantity of the corn I'm putting. No. So if you want to, hello, you see our popcorn. Wait, I'll turn it. Go. No, let him.
Emmanuel Unu, News 24.